This portfolio site was built entirely by AI. Next.js, Tailwind CSS, fully responsive, dark mode, animations, and it took less than 5 minutes. Let me show you how. I'm starting with nothing. Empty folder, no boilerplate, just Claude Code and one prompt. Let's see if AI can actually build a professional portfolio from scratch. The key to getting good results from AI is giving it a detailed prompt. This is just one prompt and I'm just asking it to create a modern developer portfolio website using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So it is creating the Next.js project. I just have to give it permission. It will install the Next.js along with TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. Just give it permission. It is again asking for another permission to scaffold Next.js project with all flags. So just allow it. So it is now asking for my permission to install the npm, and I expanded the output and I can see that it has created all of these files, and now it is basically installing the node modules dependencies. It is taking a lot of time, so I will just tell it to use pnpm as it is faster. So now it will use pnpm to install it. Okay, now it is working very fast as compared to the npm. That's why I prefer pnpm. Okay, dependencies are installed. Now it is saying let me read the existing files and build the portfolio. Now let me build all portfolio files and I will write them in parallel. You see that now it is updating the global.css file. Just allow that it to update the layout, and now it is asking to create a components directory. Just allow that. It will create the folder components under the source directory. So now it is building the navbar.tsx. It is asking my permission to create that file. Now it is creating the hero.tsx component. You see that all code has been written already. Just allow it to create. Now it has created the about.tsx. I am giving permission for every file one by one. Now it is asking for projects.tsx creation, so just allow that. Okay, now it is asking for the skills.tsx file, so just allow that as well. And now it is asking for the contact.tsx creation permission, allow that. tsx permission. Okay, now it is asking for us to build this project. It will run pnpm build command, so we just have to give it permission. Okay, the build is successful and it says your portfolio is ready. And this is the summary about the design features. I will just ask it to run it for me. So it will automatically run this command pnpm dev. Alright, it says dev server is running at this URL. So let's copy the URL and paste it here. So let's see what we got. So this is what we got. So look at the hero section. It is clean, bold. And then if we go to the about section is also very nice. All of the hover effects and colors are very decent. Then let's go to the project section. Project section is also looking really professional. Look at the hover effects. Everything is working correctly. And now let's look at the skills section. So these are the skills. You see how every skill is changing color with animation. That looks really nice and professional. And now look at the contact section. The form looks perfect. It is also responsive, so let me show you. Reduce the size and you see that it is fully responsive. The layout is not breaking at all. If we look at the menu, look at the animation of the menu icon, it is also very impressive, and the menu is also showing as a drop down in the mobile view. And if you scroll down, everything is adjusted according to the available size. So mobile looks good too, all from one single prompt. But what if I want to change something? That's the real power. So let me add this prompt. Here I am asking it to add a floating navigation bar that changes background on scroll. Also add a dark light mode toggle button. Hit enter and just give it some time. It will review the existing files. Okay, now it is asking for more permissions to edit the projects.tsx file. Actually, to make it fast, if it will ask me again, I will just select the second option, that don't ask me again for this permission. So I'm going to select yes, allow all edits during this session. So it will never ask me again for this specific permission. Here is what changed. it provided the summary, refresh this page. So let's go back to the website and we got the toggle button. Clicking on that and look at the design, how it is updated. All colors are updated based on the current mode. So we have both light and dark mode. So you see that only one sentence, navbar with scroll effect, is implemented. Dark mode toggle is also implemented. So that looks really cool. You see that I'm scrolling, the navbar is still visible on the top and it is semi-transparent and it changes the color. So this looks very professional. So Next.js Tailwind CSS, fully responsive, dark mode, animations, all built by AI in under 5 minutes. No templates, no boilerplate, just one prompt. Claude Code link is in the description. If you want to see me build something more complex with AI, then drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.